Hi, in this video we will show you how to replace the induction sensor of your PUQ press. You will need to order a replacement induction sensor and display sticker with the codes displayed on screen. The tools you'll need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, a P2 screwdriver, pliers, and a box cutter. Start with pressing the set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0. Remove the plug from the socket. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Loosen the 3 profile switch screws. Remove the screws with pliers. Cautiously remove the profile switch with pliers. Unclip the cable connector. Remove the circuit board. Loosen the 3 middle cover screws. Remove the middle cover. Loosen the ground wire screw. Remove the display sticker. Remove the rubber feet. Loosen the 2 back cover screws. Remove the back cover. Unclip the cable connector. Remove the 2 drive unit screws. Remove the drive unit completely. Unclip the connector from the motor controller board. Loosen the induction sensor screw and remove it. Remove the old induction sensor. Put the new induction sensor back in place. Tighten the induction sensor screw slightly. Clip on the connector to the motor controller board. Make sure the ribbon cable is placed underneath the drive unit. Put the drive unit back in place and connect the cable connector. Tighten the 2 drive unit screws. Put the back cover in place. Tighten the 2 back cover screws. Put back the rubber feet. Apply the display sticker. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the middle cover back in place. Tighten the middle cover screws. Put the circuit board back in place. Clip on the connector to the circuit board. Install the profile switch. Tighten the profile switch screws. Tighten the tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to 1. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Click on the top cover. Test the drive unit on proper functioning with your portafilter. Excellent. Let's tamp.